It was a chilly autumn evening in 1775. 12-year-old Benjamin sat by the fireplace, listening to his father's whispered conversation with a weary traveler. The stranger wore a tri-corner hat and carried a worn leather satchel. Benjamin's father, a Patriot leader, nodded gravely as the traveler handed him a small, folded parchment. "The British are coming," the traveler warned. "General Gage's troops will march on Lexington and Concord at dawn." Benjamin's father turned to him. "Benjamin, can I trust you with a vital mission?" Benjamin's heart raced. "Yes, father. Ride to Lexington and warn Samuel Adams and John Hancock. They must flee before the British arrive." Benjamin nodded, his mind racing. He grabbed his horse's reins and set off into the darkness. The wind whipped through his hair as he galloped along the winding road. As the first light of dawn crept over the horizon, Benjamin reached Lexington. He found Samuel Adams and John Hancock, and with trembling hands handed them the parchment. "God bless you, young Benjamin," they exclaimed, quickly gathering their belongings. Thanks to Benjamin's bravery, the two Patriot leaders escaped capture. The American Revolution had begun, and Benjamin's ride would go down in history as a heroic act that helped spark the fight for freedom.